Hello, welcome to the final video in my course, the Standard Template Library. This video will be short and sweet, but it will be very useful to you because it deals with vectors, stacks, and queues. Vectors are similar to arrays. Create a vector, ints. So you do that. Int, call it my. How you add members to your vector is by simply going my vector dot. It should give you options there, but I'm surprised it is not doing that. Push back, push back 15, for example. Okay. Okay, maybe this should probably be lowercase. Okay, there we go. Now let's do another one. My vector push back 16. Now it's working. And finally, my vector push back 17. There's many different ways to iterate through these, but I'm just going to use the simple for loop that we're used to. However, I'm going to show you something interesting. We can do this. Int I equals 0. I is less than my vector dot size. That way it automatically knows the size of the vector. You don't have to type in 3 or anything like that. Now let's simply cout my vector at I inline. And let's run the program. Should get 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. Okay. This is basically all you need to know about vectors. They're very similar to arrays, and you can add by using pushback. You can iterate through them using the at. And you can use the size in order to iterate through a vector of unknown size, which is interesting. Okay, now let's create something called a stack. A stack is a first in, first out data structure. It's created like this: stack int my stack. Okay, now we do my stack push let's do 0. My stack push push 0. Sorry, 1. just copy paste. I stack that push to. Now, write it the same way for I 0 I and stack my stack size plus cout actually let's just do this cout my stack dot top. So give us the top value, which in a stack is similar to those trays you get at a restaurant. So it's the first in and first out. So you're stacking the first one in was, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Stacks are last in, first out. So stacks are last in, first out. Queues are first in, first out. Please don't get those confused. Stacks are last in, first out. Queues are first in, first out. So hopefully that doesn't confuse you now that I made that mistake, but stacks are definitely last in, first out. So last one in, first one out. The last one in was 2. So the first one out will be 2. So we should get 2. 2. Now if we do my stack pop, do a cout statement, should get let's see what we'll get there. We'll get 2 and should get 1, I believe. Unless my math is wrong. 2, 1. Should put an end line there. Let's do that so you can better understand it. Okay, so we get 2, 1. Okay. Now let's talk about queues. Queues are similar, except for they're first in, first out. Just like a line. You're the first one in, you're the first one out. So, let's create a queue. Queue. Int. My queue. My, sorry, IQ push 15, for example, do 15 through 17 again. Copy, paste, 16, 17. Now, 15 was first this time, so that means who's at the front? IQ front. Person at the front is 15, because it's just like a line. Okay. Now, if we do this, my UE up. What do you expect that? Whoops, we don't put it there. Sorry about that. We don't put it there, we put it here. If we put pop here, we'll get a different result for C out. Well, who gets to leave first? 15 gets to leave first because he was at the head of the line, so the front will be 16 now. 16. As you can see, we got 16. I hope you've learned something from all of this, and I hope you've learned something from this course. My name is Sean, and I've enjoyed creating this course, and I hope you've enjoyed learning from this course. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment or message me anytime if you have any questions, and thank you again. Bye-bye.